Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 65T and I will show you how you can enable or disable your own voice during the phone calls. So what I'm talking about, you probably know what I mean because you are here on this video. So you have to be connected with the Jabra Sound Plus application, then tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and go for the headset settings and then pick call experience. And as you can see, we can find here this option, your voice in a call. So there is the side tone. We can hear our own voice when we are on the call. So if you want to activate this option, if you want to hear your voice, you have to just tap here on the switcher and then you can adjust the level of your voice by this slider. But if you want to get rid of that option, you don't want to hear your own voice during the phone calls, just tap here and basically that's all. So that's how you can adjust this option. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.